Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add your YouTube channel link on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now to do this, what you want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. What you then want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon. And from this drop down menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto settings. From your settings, what you want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side and make sure that you're clicked onto Account Info. Then what you can do is scroll down towards the bottom, and you're going to see a section for social networks just down here. Now you can see there's one down here for YouTube, and this is where you're going to add your YouTube channel link. So, to get your channel link, if you come across to YouTube, what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner, click onto your profile icon, and you're going to see an option to view your channel. So what you need to do is give that a click. After doing this, you'll be on your channel page, and from here, you want to come up to the address bar at the top, and you can see your channel link in the address bar. All you need to do is right-click, come down, and click on to copy. Then you can come back to Roblox and paste this into the YouTube box here. After doing this, be sure to come down and click Save. What you want to do next is also check your social networks visibility. As you can see, currently no one can see links to my social network profiles, so you want to make sure you change this appropriately depending on whether you want just your friends to see this or everyone. When I've done this, you can see it says Save Successfully at the top. And to check that this has been added successfully, come over to this menu on the left-hand side, click onto Profile, and you should now see that we've got our YouTube channel link here. You can give this a click, and that's going to take you directly to your YouTube channel, just like so. And that's it. So that is how you can add your YouTube channel link on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Thanks.